Hey y'all, welcome to my page, my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my cabinets. I'm going to redo it. Right now it is a gray marble, as you can see. Don't mind these little things here. They had little wall art on it and the doorknobs I just ripped off of them. So I'm going to be doing them a pink color and I'm so excited. If you know me, you know I love pink. That is my favorite color. And the kitchen is mine. Like, I'm always in the kitchen. I love to cook and all that. So I'm trying to make the kitchen pink, my liking. So I'm not everything pink. So I'm going to be like pink and white. So I'm going to do the cabinets up here. Do these pink with this pink. I got the pink here. And I'm going to do like a baby pink. And then for the counters, as you see the counters here. Well, these over here. I'm going to do them a pink marble. It's going to be so cute, and I'm so excited. I cannot wait. So I'm going to do that, and then the backsplash, I have to order. I'm still looking for a nice pink one or maybe like a white. I'm still deciding on what I want to do for the back thing. The backsplash right now, I'm just going to do the cabinets up here, such as the cabinets down below. They are marble as well. So I'm going to still do them pink. So stay tuned if you want to watch. Okay, so first we need to start off with the peeling. Time to get rid of these. Ooh, this is gonna take some time, but goodbye gray and hello pink. You see the gray? The gray. You see the brown? I did not like it. Imagine your cabinet just looking so boring. Imagine this boring color. I was like, no, I need it. I need the color. I need my house to be looking real cute. So this right here is a no-no. But this is going to be a lot of peeling, and it's going to take some time because you see how hard it was for that to come off. It's like really sticky. But the good thing is that I don't leave the cabinet here sticky. So if I was to move out of here, it will be fine. It won't be all sticky. You know how some houses, they leave like the little sticky glue there or whatever? It don't have any of that. It's still smooth and everything. So that's a good thing about these sticking papers. That's why I love them. So you can easily peel them off, with no problems. No rip off, no paint, none of that. But so yeah, I just got to be in the process of peeling. So yeah, I'll be back when I'm done peeling it. Okay, so this is where I'm at so far. Just peeled those off. Just gotta get this part. I gotta take this door out so I can get that corner. But this is how the cabinet used to look before I put the paper over it. Don't mind that. I just took my cabinet out for that one. But I'm still peeling. And this right here helped a lot. This scraper thing here, yep, came in handy. Because if I didn't have that, girl, I would be here all day trying to do that. So this does take up time. Like, it does take up a lot of time. This does take up a lot of time. But if I didn't have this, like this right here would be your best friend. You can get this in Family Dollar. I think it's like $3 to $5 this is, and it come with a pack of the blades, so you can always refill the blades. So that has been helping me, like, scrape it off even more faster. That's all of it. That pile right there, plus that pile, yeah. So I still got a lot more to go. Just gonna finish peeling all of this off. Then, girl, got the bottom too. So yeah, I'm gonna be here for a long time. But hey, anything to have my pink kitchen. I'm so excited. So I'll come back when I at least get this half done too as well. And I maybe might do the counters too. But I'll get back to you when I'm done. Bye. Okay, I am finally done with the top cabinets. Took everything off, and my got like little, like little white little pieces left or whatever, but I can easily just scrape that off. When I tell you, my girl held on, she held on. Look at her, snapped and all. But let's see, you can see. Yep, she snapped in half. See, but it's alright because she still got it done. At least I got the top done. Now on to the bottom. Look, all that. Some of it's there, some of it's over there. So I still got to do the counters and the bottom. But I'm glad I got the top done. So now time to work on the counter. Or I might just work on this part right here. Because I'm going to do pink anyways. And I'll just do that later. So I'm going to just work on the bottom cabinets. And then we're going to get to the counter part. So I see you when I'm halfway done with the bottom. See ya. Okay, I'm finally done with the bottom cabinets. Just finished peeling all of that. So this is how the kitchen looks without wallpaper. It's just not my type of thing. Like, I do not like it. The brown, So you see why I put the gray marble paper on this, because, yeah, I wasn't liking it at all. So now I just got to peel the sink part. I'm going to just put all this in the garbage. And then I have to do the sink part now. All that. It didn't peel much of the wood off. Just like a little bit of that, but it still looks fine. Like, you don't really see, that's just like white from the thing I had. But other than that, it didn't do really any damage to the cabinets or anything, so everything is still good. Just got to do the counter, peel that off, and then we can put our pink stuff up. I'm ready to just peel this off, but it's kind of going quick though. Peeling it is not really taking me that long, so we're going to get ready to use the pink soon. Stay tuned. Okay, so you get a peek at my counter. So I'm going to show you with this, how smooth it be. But look. See? That's why I said this thing comes in handy. Just take it and it just scrapes for you. You can keep going or you can stop and then just, peel the rest. And you can start from anywhere too. And just try to, it don't scratch the counter at all. Like the counter, it don't scratch it. It just goes smooth. But it helps make your job a little faster. So, make it easy for me. Because I'm not trying to be here all day doing this. I want to put the pink already. And I still got a whole bunch to do. But with this thing here, it's helping. Because if I didn't have this, yeah, I would have been sitting here peeling for years. But then just scrape all the little excess stuff that's there. Get all that off. Take it off of there. See? So I still have just that piece there to do because I did that side. And then I still have this whole side to do. But I'm almost done. Look at the cabinets. See how the brown is? That's the brown that we had. That's the brown. I didn't like it, but I'm still gonna do that piece. Then I'm gonna come right back to you. Oh, I forgot about over there. But I'm just peel these and I'm gonna come back when I'm done with this side, okay? I am finally finished. Don't mind that. That piece right there, please. Don't mind that. But it's just, I gotta do that side too, but it's on a little piece. But other than that, I am done. This is the cabinets. How it looked when I first moved in. Without the wallpapers. This is how it looks. Just brown. And then it has like a brown type of thing here for the counter. It's not bad if you like brown. But I want pink. So that's what I'm gonna do. Nah, but see? This is the before, guys. You're gonna see the after. Cause now I get to start working on the pink. About time. I am excited. These are the pinks that I have. And I'm excited. Nah. But say goodbye to brown. Cause here comes pink. Okay, so the cabinet that I had took down, which is from here, that I took down, is right here. I just took the roll right here. I measured it and cut me the piece. It's not sticked on yet, but since this board, it has like little sticky parts here and there, so it makes it stick. So it's good. It's good to measure that way, basically. So this is how it looks even, and I just cut off the extra stuff that was right here, which is right here. I'm gonna save this because these shelves are actually wider, so when I put, I cut me out pieces here, so when I put it on here, it's gonna have it's right here, so it has a little gap, so I can just use the extra to fill it in, so I'm gonna go like that. So right now I just put it on here, measured it out, cut it out, so now all I gotta do is peel off the end part and then slowly start sticking it. And then all you need is, I don't know what I did with the cards. Oh, here. These are just old Subway cards I had. You can use anything. Like, I would say not a credit card because you don't want to break your card, but whatever card you had, or if you have the little smooth thing you can buy at the Dollar Tree store, just use that. And as you unpeeling it and putting it on, just smooth it out as you go, so it could come out neat. And you don't want any of this. Remember, it's not on yet, it's on the paper, but when I do it, if you don't use the card thing, it will get like little bumps like this, if you can see. Yeah, like that. So you want to make sure you smooth it out as much as you can. So I'm gonna do that, and I'll be right back when I'm done. Okay, so remember, take the card, yeah, any card you want. This is a Subway's card, and then you just, you see how it's going on it. This, I'm just pulling this paper. I'm gonna pull back. I'm just gonna pull this away as I'm pushing the paper on it this way. See, making sure it's smooth. Just make sure everything is smooth, and then you're gonna pull that paper back as you push it on. There you go. Okay. And then anything extra you can just cut off if you have anything extra on it. So then just put this to the side. Then you just want to run through the whole thing again, because you want to make sure everything is smooth. Okay, and then just to make sure everything stays, I just go like this to make sure the paper stays on. You know, make sure it's sticking good. And so that's all that I do. And then I'm going to show you. Okay, and then this is just one of the cabinets. See? You just move it out and take your hand, rub against it just to make sure it's sticking. And then your cabinet is done. So I have one here and I have this one here. I did it already too. So I did 2 of the cabinets so far. Okay, and I'm going to come back when I'm done with all the cabinets. And then I'll show you when I'm doing the counters. This is the aftermath of the cabinets. Don't mind my dishes, don't mind that. Just extras, but came out cute. And these was the little scraps I put on here. Looks cute. The cabinets down the looks real cute.